To connect Webflow to Shopify, start by creating a Shopify store and a Webflow account. In your Shopify store, go to the Shopify App Store and search for the Webflow app. Then click the Add App button to install it. In your Webflow account, go to the Webflow dashboard and click on the Integrations tab. Then search for Shopify and click on the Connect button. You will be redirected to Shopify to authorize the connection. Click the Install App button to proceed. After connecting Webflow to Shopify, you need to set up the integration. In your Webflow account, go to the Integrations tab and click on the Shopify integration. Then click on the Settings button. Here you can configure the integration settings, such as the store name, API keys, and the products and collections you want to sync. To sync your Shopify products with Webflow, go to the Collections tab in Webflow and click on the Create Collection button. Then select Shopify as the collection type. Choose the products and collections you want to sync and click the Sync button. Webflow will now fetch your Shopify products and display them in your collection. To use your Shopify products in a Webflow page, go to the Pages tab and create a new page. Then add a collection list component to the page. Configure the collection list to display your Shopify products. You can customize the layout, design, and content to match your website design. By following these steps, you can successfully connect Webflow to Shopify and start using your Shopify products in your Webflow website. This integration allows you to leverage the power of Webflow's design and development capabilities with the e-commerce functionality of Shopify, creating a seamless and powerful online store experience for your customers.